The word hoist has two different but related meanings. One as a noun, the other as a verb. To hoist as a verb means to raise up something, to lift it up, to haul it up. So किसी चीज को ऊपर उठाना या lift करना is to hoist. A hoist as a noun is a mechanical apparatus for lifting things. So कोई भी ऐसा mechanical system जिसके साथ हम चीजों को lift कर सकते हैं, that is a hoist. For example, a crane is a hoist. You might use a crane, you might use a hoist to load and unload things from a truck. So, hoist is both a noun and a verb. But generally, we use the word hoist as a verb, which means to lift up or raise up something heavy. For example, a crane was needed to hoist Jessica's car out of the river. To hoist Jessica's car would mean to lift out. Another usage. Cargo was hoisted up into the ship. I hoisted the beer to my lips and drank. मैंने बियर को ऊपर उठाया, अपने लिप्स के साथ लगाया और मैं उसे पी गया. I hoisted my jeans because they were falling down. So I hoisted up my jeans, I pulled up my jeans. He hoisted his bag onto his back. उसने अपना बैग ऊपर उठाया. अब hoist वर्ड को हम स्पेसिफिकली रोप के साथ यूज करते हैं. So किसी चीज को रोप के साथ ऊपर खींचने के लिए जो वर्ड हम यूज करते हैं, that is the word hoist. So to hoist is to raise up something using a rope. So किसी चीज को रस्सी के साथ ऊपर खींचना is to hoist. Let's have a clipping here. The American flag was hoisted to mark the importance of the day. So flag को रस्सी के साथ खींचकर ऊपर करना is to hoist. Another usage, they have hoisted all the sails of the ship. उन्होंने ship की रस्सी के साथ सारी sails को खींचकर ऊपर कर दिया है. Hopefully we are getting the meaning here.
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.